What's up guys, Josh here with Tech, and Xiaomi has officially launched its latest mid-range offerings in the Philippines, and one of them is the Redmi Note 10. It packs a 6.43-inch AMOLED screen, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 SoC, quad rear cameras, and a large 5000 mAh battery. Now we got our hands on one, so without further ado, let's see first what's inside the box. So, opening the lid, you will be greeted with the phone itself. Underneath is a smaller box that contains the SIM ejector tool and a jelly case. Then below that, there's a USB Type-C cable and of course your charging brick. One of the first things we noticed about the Redmi Note 10 is how slim and narrow it feels despite the large battery. Although it measures 8.29mm thick, the tapered sides and long frame make it easy to grip. The materials are mostly plastic, but it is IP53 rated, so it can survive water splashes. The frame is metallic while the rear panel has a glass-like finish. It's prone to fingerprints and smudges, so better take advantage of the case included in the package. On the front, we have the 6.43-inch AMOLED dot display with Full HD Plus resolution, or equal to 409 pixels per inch. It's mounted with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 with no screen protector pre-installed. It's got slim bezels at the top and sides, but a bit thicker at the bottom. And found above the 13-megapixel front camera in the bezel is the earpiece. On the left, we have the triple card tray for 2 nano-sized SIM cards and a micro SD card. On the right are the volume keys and the power/lock button, which doubles as the fingerprint scanner. The buttons are plastic, firm yet clicky, and quite easy to reach. At the top, we have a loudspeaker, IR blaster, and a secondary microphone. Down at the bottom is the 3.5mm audio jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and of course your loudspeaker. At the back, we have the protruding camera module housing quad rear cameras, consisting of the 48-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultrawide, a 2-megapixel macro, and another 2 megapixels for depth sensing. Also found here are the autofocus sensor and LED flash. We'll get into this a little deeper in our full review, but for now, here are a few sample photos that we got. Out of the box, the Redmi Note 10 runs on MIUI 12 based on Android 11. Powering it is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 octa-core CPU, an Adreno 612 GPU, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and a 5000 mAh capacity battery with support for 33 watts fast charging. As for price, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 is priced at 9,990 pesos for the 6 plus 128GB variant, while the 4GB plus 64GB variant will be priced at 8,490 pesos. This device is pretty sure one of the best affordable smartphones out there that you can get. If you want to know more about the Redmi Note 10, stay tuned for our full review. Now, what do you guys think about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss on any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.